students, relax, sit back and listen to our math class. In today's class, we are going to learn the concept of Venn diagram representation in set theory. Now let us learn. First, we are going to represent A union B. A union B. A union B denotes it is a combination of the elements in A and in B. Right? So, for representing A union B, this is a universal set and inside this whole part is A and this whole part is B. So, union means combination. So, you have to shade all the area here. Because in union, you will write all the elements in A and B. So, here you have to shade all the area. Next, A intersection B. In A intersection B, what you will do? You will write only the elements which are common to both A and B. So, here this part, this overlapping part, this overlapping of A and B represent the common elements of this A and B. So, this is what the intersection part. So, you have to shade only this part. Okay. Next, A dash or A complement. A complement means you will write the elements which are not in A. Am I right? So, this universal set elements will be shaded. Next, this B part. This B part. This B part will be shaded. So, this universal set and this B part, both part you will shade. Okay, we will leave this A because A dash or A complement denotes the elements. You have to write the elements which are not in A or except A. So, this part won't come, all other part will be coming. Okay. Next, in a similar way, B dash. So, in B dash you will shade everything except this B part. Except this B part, you will shade all other one. This is what B dash. A difference B denotes the elements which are in A but not in B. So here only you will focus, your full focus will be on the elements of A. So you have to only shade this A part which are in A but not in B. That denotes the elements should not be in universal set 2. In a similar way, B difference A means the elements which are in B not in A or not in universal set 2. So your full focus will be given to B only. Okay, this is what B dash A. So, A union B means everything. A intersection means this common overlapping part. A dash means except A. B dash means except B. A difference B means only A part. You should not share that intersection part because in intersection part B elements will be there. Okay. So, here to B difference A means only B part. We are going to find the symmetric difference. A symmetric difference equal to A difference B union B difference A. So, first here A difference B. A difference B means the elements which are in A but not in B. So, your focus is only on A. So, this part. Am I right? B difference A. So, B difference A means your focus will be only on B. Next, A difference B union B difference A. That means union denotes the combination of these both. A difference B union B difference A. This is the combination of both of these. Okay. Next, A difference B. Your focus here only on A. Next, A difference be the whole dash. That means complement. So except this part, you have to shade all other parts. Okay. Thank you for watching. For more videos related to both school and college maths, kindly subscribe to our channel Curious Maths. Kindly like, share, comment your doubts.